This video is going to demonstrate how I apply lipstick. 3 options, 3 ways of how I contour or plump my lips. And well, I have mature skin. I'll also be zooming so you'll be ready for real texture. Okay, I'm at the stage where I've just applied foundation. I'm going to apply some bit of, I would say this would act like a lip balm to soften this area. I then follow with tinted lip gloss, which has giving a nude kind of thing, something like that. Then use my finger, just dab it like that. So from there I'm going to apply some foundation, just that much, my finger first, so that I can control how much I put in the areas that I want to, and I think that's enough. So from there I'm going to dab it on the sides and the middle. Lip area where we contour. Using a Skin Glow Nourishing Cream to create a smooth base, then leave it absorb for a few minutes. While lip liners help make lips more defined, stand out, which is good, but woman, sometimes these things make lips look wider, which I'm not interested. So for example, that X isn't going to go up to the end of my lips, it's going to end somewhere there, and then for the lower lip I'm going to start of course at the corner, but more inside than outside. Then as I get towards the center, just outline slightly below. So I think this basically depends on your individual needs or shape of your lips. If you have a wider lip, you may want to minimize them maybe somehow, and if you have smaller lips, then you may want to outline them the whole way, just like I said, individual preferences. So just customize it to the way you like. Then with lipstick, I start from the center of my lips, moving outwards. Then press the lips together to distribute the color even. Some tinted gloss for vibrance and shine. You want to look flawless all day long, not just an hour. Now, this is optional, but setting spray will significantly enhance the longevity and appearance of your makeup. By the way, remember to smile and check your teeth for any lipstick smudges. If none, you're ready to go.